In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change phone number in Homebase. By the end, your new number will be stored in your profile and ready for anything like shift texts or alerts. Start by opening the Homebase app on your mobile device. Look for the Homebase icon on your screen and tap it once. When the app opens, you should land on the main dashboard, where you usually see things like your upcoming shifts, hours, or messages. Give it a couple of seconds if it is loading, especially if your internet connection is slow. Once the app is open, click Homebase at the top where you see the small hamburger icon. This is the three-line menu button that opens the main navigation. After you tap it, a side menu should slide in from the left or drop down from the top, depending on your device. You will see options such as schedule, time cards, and your profile area. If the menu does not appear, tap the icon again to make sure your first tap registered. From that menu, tap Profile. This takes you to your personal profile page inside Homebase. On this screen, you should see your name and basic details, like your current contact information and maybe your job title or location. A quick tip here, if you work at multiple locations, this profile usually applies across all of them, so changing your number here keeps everything in sync. Now select Personal. The Personal section focuses on your individual details, such as your address, email, and phone number. When you tap Personal, you should see a list of these fields in a simple form layout. Take a moment to confirm you see your current phone number displayed. That helps you know you are in the right place before you make any changes. Next up, tap the pencil or edit icon. This icon is normally next to your phone number field or near the top of the Personal section. When you tap it, the fields that were locked will become editable. You might notice the text boxes gain a highlight or your keyboard pops up at the bottom of the screen. That is your sign that you can now change the informations. With editing turned on, change your phone number. Tap directly into the phone number field, then use the keyboard to delete the old number and type in the new one. Make sure you enter the full number, including area code, and double-check each digit before moving on. A common beginner mistake is leaving out one digit or mixing two of them, which can stop you from getting shift messages. If you need to correct something, you can move the cursor and fix it before saving. After you have entered the correct number, tap Save. When you tap Save, the screen should briefly update, and the edit mode will close. You should now see your new phone number displayed in the Personal section in its normal non-editable view. In this video, you updated your Homebase profile, so all your notifications go to your new phone number. If this helped you get your contact info up to date, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple Homebase tips.